Yeah, so weird. It's gray right here and then goes like white clay color over on this side. Really weird. And then there's like stuff buried here. I don't know. It's really weird.
Sun crawls up slow through the canyon haze. Cold steel waiting where the frost still lays. Boot in the gravel, coffee in hand. First cut of morning in the stubborn land. Bucket swings low like an old church bell. Echo through hollows where the coyotes yell. Some men pray and some men wait. Some men dig through dirt and slate.
There's a white truck parked by the cedar line, painted letters worn by time. John Ray Excavation on the door in red, where the hard ground breaks and the pipe runs fed.
Hey Skylar, John Ray Excavation again. Here on a job I did about a year ago. Did a little French drain about right here and a French drain all the way down there because this guy lives just at the bottom of this hill, but all the water underground comes up and now it's bubbling up here right next to where this drain is. Last time I remember seeing a crappy pipe there, almost wondering if it goes up there and maybe we busted it there and it got clogged or something. So we're going to try and dig up here and see what we find. Maybe we can get this thing working again. That's the plan today. Okay, I'm just showing you what we got here. So, see the fabric? That's where I've done the French drain before, and then it all goes that way, wrapped in fabric. But on this side, I think it was just so compacted it didn't go in there. And there's also this weird piece of pipe. We thought it was some land drain, but it just ended right there. I don't know, I guess it does nothing. But water was really bubbling up right there. I think there's like a spring. So I'm just gonna dig all this out, maybe 10 feet wide, a couple feet deeper, wrap it in fabric all the way, get some gravel in there, pipe it over, wrap it completely, envelop it in gravel. And then I think that should take care of it, unless what I'm afraid of is it popping up again, unless he just needs a land drain all the way up that hill. I don't know. I hope not. But we're going to try this. If not, I think we need to figure something else out. But that's the plan now. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little bit of a blue layer, dark or grayish blue right here. That usually means the soil's deprived of oxygen, is when it turns gray like that for a long time. But right there, water is bubbling up, like that's a spring coming out of the ground. So we got to make sure we catch that, and right there too, right there. So we got to make sure we catch that and get it into this French drain before it before it comes up to the surface. We got to get it, hits that gravel, hits that pipe, and takes it out to the ditch. Yeah, so weird. It's gray right here and then goes like white clay color over on this side. Really weird. And then there's like stuff buried here. I don't know. It's really weird. Anyway, I'm thinking this will solve our problem if we just put fabric over this and catch all that water. I don't think there's anything buried under that. I mean, I don't think there's a water line. I think it, because it just happened after it rained really hard, is when it started to surface and never really dried up. So yeah, hopefully that'll fix it. Anyway, stay tuned. that about does it for this job. If you like this video, please hit the like button or subscribe. Like this kind of content. A lot of people have been commenting that they enjoy the intro music. If you want to hear more of that, the link is down in the description. Go listen to it on Spotify. And I'll catch you in the next one.